Excelr8 Learning has enhanced what I've learned in school by adding extra detail to what I've already learned there. And so that's meant that when it comes to answering tests, whether it be here or in school, I've got the extra level of detail that I can use in my answers. The testing methods helped pinpoint my needs, especially because when the test results came out, it showed exactly which sector I hadn't mastered. And so that meant that in the end, when it came back to learning and progressing, we still had time to go back to what we previously learned and make sure that was completed to make sure that all the learning was solid. The tests vary in difficulty, and it should do, to see that all the basics are in there whilst all the challenging, more complex bits are in there as well. The tests that were given to me were designed to show exactly what it is that I was doing right and wrong, and it went in line with what I was learning. So it wasn't in any way not what I was expecting, and it was just what I was wanting to see at the time of my learning. The test showed valuable information about what I was doing at the time when I was in younger years and up to now, and so it shows that my learning was still in line with what it was being taught here and at school. The tests didn't have any time to them, and it's there to not pressure us and therefore make us get the wrong answers, but to just make sure that we're doing what is right, and then if there is anything wrong, to know that it was just our knowledge or lack of it that was responsible, not pressure. Some of the test questions did ask me things that I hadn't learnt yet, and I think that shows what I was aiming for in the future, to see whether I was already capable of answering those questions and so we can move one step ahead, or to actually go through it more thoroughly. I would recommend it, and I have done before.